Hi. Hello, lovely people. Uh, I'm here again. I thank God for your life, for my life, for our lives, for being able to see today. It's grace and it's not our power. So we must always give God the ultimate praises, honor, glory. In fact, let's direct all our praises to Him because without Him, we are nobody. Now, yesterday, I made a video on what we learn, what you should expect to learn in our industry when you are about to join, the things we knew. And I was telling you that there's work, you should know that there's work involved. And amazingly, I had a lot of calls from a lot of friends who's some congratulated me, some still bash me, but it's normal. So some asked me a lot of questions, and I think some expressed how do you call it, interest in joining our noble and enviable industry. And therefore, I remembered an advice given to me by a mentor, which was confirmed by one of the biggest and one of the giants in our industry who is bringing us all together, Eric Worre. Eric Worre. And this advice coincide, and I think it's the best time for me to give you this advice. So I intended to do a follow-up video again to give you the same advice I was giving when I was considering joining this industry. And like I told you yesterday, all the benefits, the reason you need to join this industry, if you decide to join, are all on YouTube, Team Rise Africa. I did a lot of raw videos unedited and uploaded them there. So what are the advice for you to consider any home-based business company to join before you join, after deciding, after doing your researches, getting to know? This is what I want you to know. This is an advice, a very solid one. It is designed for you and everyone you know that is ready or want to know more about our business, to do more when it comes to a home-based business. Anybody who want to know more, who want to do more, this advice is for the person. So I want you to take a closer look. Remember, it will help you to understand and to save you a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of resources. If you know this, it will save you a lot of time, resources, and energy. Advice number one: before you join this company, you must decide you are going to build this business for 12 good months, solid 12 months, 365 days, one good year, 12 months, non-stop, a very solid year. Note, within these 12 months, this is what you are supposed to do. If you can't do it for you yourself, do it for me. This is what you need to do. Within these 12 months, you won't look at your right, your left. You won't look at any other opportunity. You won't entertain anything, not even going to look at the results you are going to be getting out of it. It's a decision, and if you are not going to make this decision, it's going to be hard for you. You are not going to look at the results, whether you get people in your first 3 months, whether you getting customers. Yesterday I told you our business, the capital here is about people, human beings in our industry are what? Our capital. So decide whether you customers within your first 3 months, you won't be moved. Ignore your income. These are the advice, the things you need to do. You must be ready to ignore your income, the size of your team you build in your first 3 months, 6 months, 7 months, and just commit to your dream and goals and grow your business for just 12 months without distractions. Distractions, I mean, let's go and watch movies, let's look at this thing, let's go and do this drama and stuff. Do away with that. You have to make that decision. This will separate you from other people you are going to join. That's why people ask me, Ras, what is it? Every day you are serious, you are that. Because I make a decision to commit, to be committed. That is the only way you will be separated from the lots. That is the only way you will be elevated after your 12 months, after your 365 days. That's what all the type, every type of entrepreneurs in life, when you commit to something, whether forget about your food, you must invest your time, your energy, your money, your effort, your heart, your soul for the period of time before you start looking at the results. So this 12 months you are going to start. After a year, then you can start to measure your results. After 12 months, even if you got there, even if you get there and your results are great, you still have to ignore them. Focus on your craft. Focus on your mindset. Focus on your skills. Focus and learn the craft for 1 year. Advice number 1. Advice number 2, you must be ready to commit to a baseline of daily habits, a group of habits, of activities you are going to be taking, you are going to be doing every day within these 365 days. These are the activities, the habits we are going to commit to. Now, let me give you these habits. These 4 baseline habits that I will recommend you, that I was given when I wanted to start in this business, is that I have to use my products or services. If your company have services, if your company have products, you must use them to build your own story, your belief. You build your confidence in what you do, what you have. If you want other people to believe in you, you see, you can't be selling tomatoes and you don't eat tomatoes and you tell me that my tomatoes is not spoiled, there's no gogomi inside, there's no, you don't know it. You can't be selling ekwegbemi and you don't drink the ekwegbemi. You are selling oblayo, and yes, these are typical foods in Ghana. So if you are a foreigner, you are from different country, from a different culture altogether, I'm saying that if you sell oblayo, ekwegbemi, cocoa, Hausa cocoa and stuff, and you don't drink them, you don't know how the taste of it, how would you now tell people to come and use it? No, you need to be ready to share your product service with prospect every day. However, you are going to get prospect from your company, at least 1 person a day. That is the only way. Some of you are now thinking, hey, do I know people? Before Accra Mall or ShopRite was built, we were not consulted that, oh, we are going to build ShopRite. Please, would you come and buy the things before we say yes, go and build shop? They don't know about you, but they started. That is the same way. So you have to look, you are online every day, you go to church, you do other stuff. You get people. Where there is a will, there is a way. As soon as you commit your heart, that passion, that commitment will lead you to the right people, where human beings are. 3, you need to share the financial opportunity of being a distributor with your company. At least 1 prospect every single day. Every day you must show somebody. Tell the story of the people who are winning. Sometimes people ask you, so you are talking about people's results and gains and achievement. Where is yours? Yes, basically people must win. People have been there before me. So you don't expect me to just jump into there and win. I'm building something. So I'm telling you, if you believe in me, and the same way you can believe in me, when I called you, let's go to party, and you follow me, and you are not going to believe in me, let's build a financial status, let's build a financial conglomerate, let's build a wealth for our families in the future, then it's up to you. So people will ask you this question, so where is yours? Where is this? Where is that? If you don't have it, don't lie to people. Don't lie to people. Tell them the truth. I just started. This is the guy who showed me in this with this industry or this company. After my researches, I know that this guy had made it so much. Therefore, I have the belief that I'll be where he is now. Now, I see where you are thinking every day, where am I going to get people? Forget that. Where there is a will, I always tell you there's a way. Doing this without thinking about the result, if you are doing all these things without thinking about the result, but you get better, you will be going to get better. Without thinking about the result, you will get better. You have the experience at your craft through the feedbacks you get from people. So you know that when you talk to two people today, the third person, the way you go about it will be different. These are the things you are going to do. These are the things you are going to commit to. Now, I want you to take note of this. The result is that you become great. You become great at a year. Taking your back office into consideration, the more you do this, the more power you get, the more authority you get. The more you do this, the more you will get the result over time. A little bit of what? Time on personal development. You must read books. Engaging in personal development will what? Enhance your abilities to see, to the personal development to lead you to the skills I mentioned yesterday. It's on my timeline. You can go and watch the closing skills, how to close deal, how to conflict management, sales, marketing, branding, all these things. The more you do your personal development, the more you get all these things. You grow up and you know this. Now, advice number 3, then I'm done. You have to let go of what people think. If you are not ready to let go of what people think in this business, in your life, you are a human being where everything your friends think about you, you are like, oh, this guy, what will these people say? You have to let go. People will think things, whether you are doing good or bad. People will think things about you. So it depends. It not depend on you. People you are thinking about fear, because people fear this thing. People you are afraid. People will doubt you, so you will not do it again. Please, we crave too much for approval. A lot of people crave for approval from others so much that it is sad. It is sad. People will have to say, Charlie, I've gotten something. Can I do it? Should I do it? Why should you go and the man you are even asking, the dream the system is preaching to you, that person you are asking advice from, is it worth it? Has it gotten the things the system has promised? You are going to buy a car, you are taking advice from someone who even don't know the price of a bicycle. How can you ask for such advice from such people? If you need approval from others before you do something in your life or anything you do in your life, then business is not for you. Let go of what people think, and then you can confidently build your business. If you really want to make it, if you are considering this business, what we do, a home-based business, no matter the company you are choosing, no matter the environment you want to be, being online or stuff, people will chastise you. Watch this video, share with anyone considering to join our business. Commitment without distraction is needed. Focus and commitment. Doing daily things you need to supposed to do. Oh, Alice, Alance, Kenya is watching, US is watching. I love you guys all. My message is simple. Take this advice into consideration. Bread is not coming from anywhere for you. Bread, food, water will not come from the heavens and fall into your mouth. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to stop that thinking. Stop taking advice from broke people. Look at the industry, your company you are going, people who made it in that company, approach them, ask for advice, and then follow these advices I'm giving you. You will get to where you want to get to. People are always on the fence line to play down what you want to do. And if you are going to hang on those people, if you are going to always be listening to those people, you will fail and fail and fail and fail. Yes, Apostle Nanaya, advice from wrong people will put you in the wrong direction. Advice from broke people will make you broke. If I had followed my friends, some of my friends, I've invited them to come to my house or meet me at the hotel to listen to what I've been doing for the past 4 years. They are still on their ways. In fact, for the past 6, 7, 8 years that I've been involved in this thing, some are still in their cars. They are still telling me they are coming. So if you take advice from broke people, wrong people, it will lead you to a wrong destination. My message is simple. If you are considering doing what we are doing, let me tell you, this one is free advice. You see, somebody is telling me I want to start a business, and the business I want to, my dream business, I need 50,000 Ghana cedi, dollars, pound, yen, kwacha, naira to start. You don't have that one, and then you have an opportunity to start with something small and build upon it. Why don't you take the small one, build upon it, learn the skills, make money from the small one, and build your big business? Stop hallucinating. You don't have the 50,000s, the 100,000s, the 20,000s to start your Mazam. They didn't mean that you should stay until Jesus comes before you start your business. No. When you even start this and you build your network, your future business has already gotten partners, has already gotten customers. That is what you don't know. I have a team of 23,000 plus, 24,000 plus worldwide. If I want to sell this cap among my team, or even this remote among my team, even everybody even 3/4 of my team is buying, or I'm selling yogurt, and 3/4 of the people in my organization are buying the yogurt, I will not need to even go out to go and be shouting on the street. That is the simple and the smartest thing you can do. Build a network. You are done, then automatically you can start your other business. It's a free advice I've added to that. So if you are watching me, God bless you so much. I'm done for the day. See you some other time. Kenya, UK, South Africa, Botswana, Nigeria, Ghana. In fact, somebody say Kumasi. Yeah, I know. Even in fact, Unshona, Okunglu, I've seen you all. God bless you for watching. Have a good evening. Once again, your friend, Dovi. If you are considering, you are considering joining this industry and you want a formidable team leaders to follow, you can inbox me. I'll grind you. I'll grind you with a different mindset, and then when you set off to the fruit, you will be on fire. God bless you so much. Looking forward to do business with you. Bye bye.